foods for animals. Like human beings, animals also need food and water to live. Have you seen a bear or snake shopping for food? Have you ever seen a lion or a deer growing food? Then, where do they get their food from? Animals that live in forests are called wild animals like lion, leopard, tiger, bear, wild boar, elephant, deer, snake, etc. They find their own food. There are some animals which are useful to us in many ways. So, we keep them in our home. Such animals are called domestic animals. Dog, cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, camel, chicken and horse are domestic animals. They depend on us for food. Therefore, we should give them good food and take care of them.
Mom, why do animals need food?
All living things need food to live. Animals as well as plants need food to grow. Animals depend on plants and other animals for their food. Food helps them to grow. It gives them energy to do work. It helps them to stay healthy and fit. On the basis of feeding habits of animals, they can be broadly divided into different groups: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Animals like cow, goat, rabbit, horse, etc. depend upon green grass or plants for their food. They are also known as plant-eating or herbivorous animals. Animals like jackal, wolf, tiger and lion depend on other animals for their food. They eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores or flesh-eating animals. Animals like hen, cock, bear, cockroach, peacock, etc. eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. Human beings are also omnivores. Some animals get food from dead and decaying plants or animals. Vulture, hyena, crow, etc. do not kill animals on their own. They eat those animals which have already been killed. Scavengers help in keeping the surroundings clean. Termites are common scavengers of dead plants. The kind of food and the eating habits are directly related to the shapes of mouth, jaws and teeth of the animals. Goats, cows and buffaloes have sharp front teeth to bite the grass and they swallow it at that time. They chew it well afterwards by bringing it back from the stomach with the help of strong grinding teeth at the back. This is called chewing the cud. Such animals are called ruminants. Do you know? Goat and cow are the only animals which have only lower set of teeth. Dogs and lions have sharp, long and strong pointed teeth to tear the flesh. They have very strong grinding teeth, which help them to chew the flesh. Butterflies, flies, honeybees and moths have their mouth parts modified as proboscis. Proboscis is a long tube for sucking nectar from the flowers. It remains coiled when not in use. Some animals, such as rabbits, squirrels and rats, gnaw the grains, fruits and seeds. They have a pair of very sharp front teeth in both the upper and the lower jaws. They are called rodents. Amazing fact! The kangaroo rat does not drink water throughout its life. Cats and dogs use their tongues for lapping up the milk and water. Snakes, lizards and frogs do not chew their food. They swallow it as a whole. The largest land animal, elephant, uses its trunk to break the twigs and sugarcane sticks. The trunk is also used to suck water and put it into the mouth. All animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for food. Some animals eat plants, whereas some eat the flesh of other animals. This forms a sort of chain and is called a food chain. All food chains start from plants and end on scavengers. Let's complete the following food chains: grass, cockroach, frog. Plants, rabbit, lion. Let us summarize. All animals need food to live. The herbivores eat plants, carnivores feed upon animals, and omnivores eat both plants and animals. Scavengers live on dead and decaying plants or animals. Animals have different modes of feeding. The mouth parts of various animals are modified according to the type of food they eat. A food chain starts from plants and ends on scavengers.